In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the tools and supplies that I carry in my truck. I do long haul, so I carry a couple of things. I'll be showing you guys right now. Some of them are essential and some of them are optional. But I do carry all of this inside. I've been getting some comments to make a video on all the tools that I carry in my truck. So let me show you guys what I have. So here I have this Craftsman tool set. This one has different sizes on sockets. As you can see, this one has as you can see, it has Torx and some bigger sockets. So on top it has the smaller ones. You have some Allen wrenches and some more Allen wrenches. And right here you have all your wrenches. I know it's a little empty right now, but I do have them. I have some bigger sockets that I use. Like say I want to remove a tire or any bigger nuts, I can remove them with this. I have my torque wrench whenever I need to torque my tires, and this extension for the torque wrench whenever I'm torquing the wheels. This is the impact wrench that I carry in my truck to remove the wheels. This is the 20-ton jack to lift the truck. Here I have the jumper cables. Just make sure when you get your cables to buy some heavy duty ones. Don't try to get the light duty on your semi truck. The light duty ones overheat and they might catch on fire. So just make sure you buy some heavy duty ones. I also carry some extra parts. I carry this alternator. On the road they will sell it to you for a lot of money, so I just carry that one. I also carry the siphon hose. Say I need to get some diesel out from my fuel tanks. I also carry extra hoses and air lines. This air tubings, just in case I need to repair something. These are some of the ones that I have inside my truck. I just pulled out this one so I can show you guys. Here I have this box. I carry a couple different things. In this box I have air fittings, different sizes and shapes, just in case I need to repair something. I have this valve stem cores. I have some clamps, some hose clamps, and some patches, different sizes. I also have this zip ties. I have a couple bags, different sizes too. I also have this hose holders. I also have this soldering gun. Whenever I need to solder any wires, I have the solder right here, different types, and the flux. I have some speaker cable, just in case I need some cables, solder or anything. This is the cement whenever I patch a tire. I also have the air grinder to clean the tires when I'm patching it. I also have this iron solder. I carry different plugs for the lights. So as you can see, these ones are used. Just in case I need to fix something real quick, I'll use something like this. I have another soldering gun, some electrical tape. Here I have some adjustable wrenches. Here I have some hole separators, and here I have the patching stitcher. And I also have some Gorilla tape. And I also carry extra lug nuts. Here I have the snow tire chains. I only carry this in the winter. And I also carry this other chain This one I do carry the whole year. This one, it's in case I ever get stuck, or if I ever need to help someone get out, I can pull a semi-truck using this chain. And I also have this extra air hoses, the trailer airlines. I have the blue and the red one, and also the electrical. I also carry this brush. I use this one whenever I need to sweep the trailer. And I also have some trash bags. Here I have the safety hard hat and a couple of safety vests and also some gloves. Here I have the 2 bars that I use to remove tires, and this is the air hose that I use. I connect this hose straight into the truck. I use the truck as an air compressor. If you don't have this setup, I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to do something like this. And if you don't have this setup, you don't have that setup over there, you can buy one of the hoses they sell like in truck stops, where you connect that hose straight into your trailer line, and all you gotta do is release the brakes on the trailer, and then you can start inflating your tires. Also carry this drill with batteries and everything, and a set of drill bits. I have this hose cutters, and I have different types of screwdrivers. I also have a couple bars, different sizes, and pliers, cutters, and some vice grips. I carry extra lamps and light bulbs for the headlights. I carry this set of Allen wrenches and Torx. The semi trucks use a lot of Torx. I also carry different belts, like for the alternator or different accessories. I have a air impact gun and a air ratchet and this long ratchet. Here I have a box of fuses. This box has different types of amperage and sizes. And I also have this fuse tester. This one's a very good tester. It's easy to check your fuses. I also carry a blade, some electrical tape, and some duct tape, and some Gorilla tape. I also carry this multimeter and this other tester. I carry some flashlights. I also carry this grinder, some starting fluid, and some black paint, and some WD-40. I also carry this brake fluid. This is the dot 3 and 4. I use this for the hydraulic clutch, and I also have a gear oil. I use that one for the hubs on the wheels. And I also have this O-ring set. This one has some different sizes and types. Here I have the valve stems, and I also carried some of the valve cores. And this one, it's the valve core remover. I have a couple of them. This is a magnet, and this is so I can put some air in the tires. I have this 2 types, and this is the gauge for the tires. I carry some zip ties, different sizes. I also carry some extra parts for the truck. This is a quick release valve and a governor. This quick release valves are for the airlines on the trailer. If you ever forget to remove the lines and they break, you can just replace the valves. I also carry different types and sizes of adjustable wrenches, and I have this hammer. This is a 2.5 pound hammer. I carry some grease, and I carry this bolt cutter. This is the one I use to remove the seals on the trailer. And I also have this hose. This is for the Freon, in case you need to recharge your Freon. All these things fit in underneath your bunk bed. As you can see, I also have some other tools in here. Different tools and parts. The way I put the toolboxes in, as you can see, they fit very nice. And I also carry this tool This is the OTR performance. You can reset your codes and do a regen. I'll try to leave the link in the description if you want to buy one of these. I think this is a very good tool. So this is the bottom of my bed, and I have some extra coolant. This is brand new coolant, and some extra hose clamps, and some parts. On the coolant, just make sure you have some coolant in case a hose starts leaking. It's not good to put regular water on the DD15s. It depends on the semi truck that you have, but I do have a DD15 and they told me to not put water in it, so that's why I carry extra coolant. As you can see, I have different hoses, towels, parts, different belts, straps for the trailer, lamps, adjustable wrenches, screwdrivers, all these extra parts. You can see I have different belts over there, and this is the way that I put and this is the way it looks from the top on the toolboxes, and this is where I put the rest of the things that I have outside. I know it looks a little messy, but I'd rather have all this than getting stuck in the road. So this is it for this video. So thanks for watching.